Here I have TCL 306, and today I'm going to show you how to scan QR codes on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then tap on this icon here. Wait. Where is my icon? Okay. So now we have this icon here. So you just tap on it and then give access to your camera, to this feature, to the storage and everything else what it asks. Let's scan, for example, this QR code. And as you can see, as soon as device spots this QR code, you can see the page encoded to this QR code. You can visit website and see what's being encoded to this QR code. This page has been encoded. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.